GFX design, create and inspire. YouTube graphic teach, set the world on fire. Channels waiting, it's time to shine. Pop music playing, it's your time to climb. Colors and shapes, a visual delight. Through the pixels and lines, let your talent show. Catch the eye, make them say why. GFX design, reach for the sky. YouTube graphic teacher, let your spirit fly. Let your spirit fly. GFX design, create and inspire. YouTube graphic teacher, set the world on fire. Channels waiting, it's time to shine. Pop music playing, it's your time to climb. Colors and shapes, visual delight. Through the pixels and lines, let your talent show. Catch the eye, make them say wow. GFX design, reach for the sky. YouTube graphic teacher, let your spirit fly. Grab your paintbrush, let your colors flow. We're gonna make a masterpiece, don't you know? With every stroke, let your imagination run wild. We'll create a vision that'll make them smile. Let the creativity take control. Oh, we're gonna make a creative poster, something that'll catch their eye. Oh, let the colors blend and shimmer, from the words to the sky. We'll make a splash, yeah, we're gonna show. All will make them go wow. On this canvas, anything goes. As we bring our imagination to life now. In the world, the colors of design unfolds. Imagination dancing, breaking mold. Lines and shapes that come alive. In the deep of night, in the morning light. Make a logo, let your dreams take flight. Capture the essence in a single sight. Every stroke at your vision show. Make a logo, let the magic grow. Make a logo, make a logo. In a world of colors, a design unfolds imagination, dancing, breaking mold. Lines and shapes, they come alive. In the deep of night, in the morning light. Make a logo, let your dreams take flight. Capture the essence in a single sight. With every stroke, let your vision show. Make a logo, let the magic grow. Make a logo, make a logo. I'm sitting at my desk, vision in my mind. Brush strokes and colors, a creation undefined. I'm a graphic designer, bringing dreams to life. With every pixel I redefine. Oh yeah, teaching the world through my YouTube channel.